Well, at 3 a.m. we had some serious rain come through. I guess it poured for about 15 minutes. So I think it was enough to rinse off some of the pollen. Of course, we got so much maple leaf seeds and you know, holly leaves and other stuff coming down right now. It's in the 60s and pretty refreshing right now. It's gonna go up to the low 80s today. Don and I are thinking about going and checking out the WRAL Azalea gardens for just a little something to do. We had golf ball sized hail in certain locations yesterday, not too far from us, and they're calling for hail again today, so we don't want to be out late afternoon. I do see Morris up here, or the other orange kitty, I can't tell yet. We'll find out in a minute. Are you helping me with the clothes this morning?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're helping. This one over here is on the clothes. This was in the basket.
Help. Their style help.
Yeah, this is help. This is help. That's what this is.
It must be Saturday. We've got Jules out of the garage.
Yeah, well, you got to take her out at least once a week. It's in the contract somewhere, right?
Exactly.
Navigate to WRAL Azalea Gardens. Way cool. Look at that.
Worked.
Yeah.
Like a champ.
Yeah.
Don's pulling in so I can spin the Pokestop, but holy moly. Goodness, that's a lot of people. With
Well,
Don driving, I can focus a little bit more on what's going on with 540 here as we pass Wake Tech. We're taking 401 into Raleigh, the normal route. And yeah, they're coming along with the project, still out there working on grading the land. Well, this is nice. I took Johnny to his friend's house yesterday, and it had me go out in the belt line and scoot around to the right of downtown, even though they're close to the school. So this is nice to see downtown today. WRAL is a little bit west, is to the left, not very far. We're here and we saw a lot of pretty flowers on the way past, so I'm excited. Some tulips. I would say Mike, WRAL meteorologist, is not here right now because he's not parked in one of the charging spots with his Model 3. So, well, there are a few tulips here right at the entrance. But all the other places, the border down along the grass and everything, they didn't plant the tulips this year.
Yeah.
Yep, normally that would be all tulips. Yep, this is the beauty of walking here. A path basically lined with hundreds of azaleas in all sorts of colors. Normally we come super early and we get all the tulips, but not all the azaleas, so it's kind of nice today to be getting to enjoy all the azaleas. I am really intrigued by this orange azalea. I really like it. I really like it. Well, this is the spot where they usually hold the wedding ceremonies, and they have put some pansies over here. I love this azalea on the left too. How pretty. And there's a few clumps of tulips. Looks like they went around and planted just a few.
Shame. He's way prettier than any flower.
Oh.
That's why
Thanks for bringing me, Donnie.
You're welcome, pretty thing.
So this is called a Florida flame azalea, a rhododendron ostranum, according to the tag. Well, if I were gonna spend any real money on azaleas, this would be the one I would want. I really like it. I mean, I really like it. Don and I are enjoying all the varieties of Japanese maples that are over here. Donnie, I don't have this variety.
Yeah, well, it's the Japanese cut leaf maple.
Acer palmatum shishigashira.
Very delicate little flowers on it.
Yep, it's very pretty. Yeah, it would probably be good for you if Nelsa doesn't get that variety in at the garden hut.
Right, it would probably be very good for me.
It's so relaxing walking amongst the azaleas.
Here's you a pot.
I like it. It's the right color too. I think that's called Fantana or something like that. Starts with an F, that plant that's in it. Fonzia, something like that.
We should go that way. See if we can. Ormus, Florida. Variety is
It's pink.
Ruba.
Yeah. I don't know that you ever see pink growing out in the wild, but it's definitely been cultivated where you can buy pink varieties, which is partly pink. It's still sort of a white bloom. That's red. Autumn Fire.
Yeah, I would definitely say that one's red. This is Encore Azalea. That's
Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it's pretty.
Yeah.
So they are expanding down here, but it's been a slow pace. I don't know what the real plan is for when they're going to plant. I mean, they have planted, obviously they've done some stuff. I like this.
Oh yeah, it's pretty. Got a little green growth on, new growth on it.
Yeah. Don says it's a California redwood. It's just very different from what we would normally see around here, obviously. But it also looks like they are having reasonable success in getting it to be happy in this location. This is some interesting variety of redbud with a nice Japanese maple behind it. And you can see over here some of the pots that are in need of being planted. Well, it would definitely be worth coming back when the hydrangeas all bloom. I don't think we've ever come then because it's hot. But still, we could make do for 30 minutes to enjoy the hydrangeas.
It'd be worth it. I agree. Totally want to come with the hydrangeas bloom. See all the different colors.
Yep. So this tree with the spikes is a red buckeye, and that's not something I'm particularly familiar with seeing here in North Carolina. Of course, we've all heard of buckeye, but Don said he'd like this one with the variegated leaves. This is called a butterfly cut leaf, and that's the one by the septic tank that we just repotted. It's exactly this one.
Way cool. Well, I'm looking forward to checking it out.
Yep, that's what it is, exactly. And there's the Goshiki false holly. That's what we have planted on both sides of the garage doors. And everywhere we go is this beautiful orange azalea. Bye, Azalea Gardens. We sure did enjoy the walk.
Yeah, we'll be back.
We're driving through the State Farmers Market because we're here. This is where we come to go to that fish place sometimes. And anyway, it is super crowded. And we're just going to turn around. It's packed. Nothing short of packed. Hey, hey, hey!
I'm doing taxes.
I'm sorry. He kept on saying he was going to do them. And today I finally said, good, okay, good. Go, go, do them. Yeah. Yeah, we're home after a brief stop at Walmart. And I am replacing those blue windows and doing other miscellaneous things on this that needed to be done. You surviving?
Yeah.
Just barely, though?
You know, it's just click and look up and stuff.
Made good progress?
Yeah, I made good progress. I'm going to be stopping here shortly. I've basically got all the tax forms that you
Located
and stuff.
Good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm going to go make some guacamole.
Yep, please do. I'm hungry.